This is the story of Emma, a sustainability engineer for a food packaging plant that comes up with all kinds of creative ways to reduce environmental impact and waste. One day, Emma was checking over her inventory and realized she needed to order rollers. She was about to call the OEM she'd always used to replenish her inventory. At that moment, she realized that the factory had consumed and discarded numerous rollers in the past year. This made her think about how many more rollers would be discarded over the longevity of current projects and would sit in landfill in the years to come. Emma began researching, and that's when she found a better way: re-coatable rollers from CER and United Silicone. With these, she would be able to salvage the cost of the machined metal cores, in addition to keeping them out of the landfill. Now, instead of throwing away roller cores and coverings, Emma sends her worn-out rollers to CER. CER uses their proprietary silicone-to-metal bonding process to recoat Emma's rollers with heat-tolerant silicone. Emma pays only for the cost of shipping and the new silicone coating. This helps Emma reduce waste and, at the same time, reduces the factory's expense. Turns out, reusing the machined metal core generates cost savings of up to 50% for smaller rollers. The potential cost savings are even bigger, over 250% for larger rollers. That's another win for Emma, doing her part to reduce negative environmental impact and her factory's waste. If you want to stop throwing away your rollers and be more like Emma, you can contact CER in Europe or our sister company United Silicone in the United States.